Hey guys, this is Mr. Antofer. So hopefully you watched the intro video. That was just me telling you a little bit about how things were going for me. Um, and so now we're going to get into what you're doing today. So you should have this module open right here. You should have clicked on that link. You should be looking at the video. So the next thing you want to do is click on that link that says course syllabus. All right, and it's going to pull up this course syllabus. This is the syllabus that all of the schools in DSST are using. We're all using the same exact materials. We're all using the same exact grading. Okay? So you can pretty much ignore that top paragraph. This is just explaining, and it's the same stuff that was in the syllabus at the very beginning of the year in August. It's explaining this is what we're going to be doing. All right? And basically what it is we're going to cover just a little bit more material in history, but we're not going to cover anything like what we would have covered in normal school. And it's more going to just be focused on going nice and slow and giving you guys just some more exposure to history. Because remember, there's no final this year. Now, that doesn't mean there isn't grading, obviously. So make sure that you see that there will be grading. But the whole point is just for us to be able to connect and continue to learn. And a lot of it will be to continue to review what we did in March because we just got cut off so quickly. So we really want to just be able to review. So as you can see, we're in the rollout week for this first week. Then we're going to practice a little bit. Then we're going to go back through the Great Depression and New Deal just for 1 week. We're going to talk about World War II a little bit, and we're going to talk about a few things that happened after World War II. Then we're just going to review some stuff for the last few weeks. So it should be really straightforward, really simple. All right. As you scroll down here, you're going to see that there's some information. So since you clicked on the link, I'm guessing that you already pulled up the module in Classroom. That's where everything will be. Okay. Also, notice here, our classes will always be from 1:40 to 2:40, all right, on Mondays, Wednesdays, and Thursdays. Now, if you don't finish your work between 1:40 and 2:40, you can do it anytime. All of the work for the week is due Friday at noon. If you try to do it all on Friday, you're going to be in deep trouble. So you really want to try to do it during that block. That's going to be your best option. Okay? And the best thing about the block is I will be on Teams during that block and I can answer any questions you have. Okay? So you're using Teams and you're using Google Classroom during that block every day. The other thing you will be using is Edulastic. And there might be a few other things, but everything you need is always going to be right here in this module. So we just covered the syllabus. It's just explaining here's the basic stuff we're doing. Now we're going to move on to the assignment. Now real quick before we move on to the assignment, quick note, if you are in AP US History, that schedule will not be exactly the same for you since we only found out about the new test 3 days ago. We're not doing a new syllabus yet. So you guys are going to do the exact same things that regular US History is doing for week 1 and week 2, and then your weeks 3 through 8 are going to be completely different. And that's just because you guys will be taking the test on May 15th. The test will be 45 minutes. It'll be a DBQ. You'll have more information about this next week. Okay, so for everybody, regular and AP, the next thing you want to do is you want to scroll down to this assignment. This is our assignment for today. Again, I would recommend doing it in these next 45 minutes, but it's not due until Friday at noon. So it's up to you to be responsible. So you're going to view the assignment here, but actually what you really want to be doing is you want to be going to Classroom and you want to be opening up the assignment in your respective classroom. Okay, so like if you're in period 1, you're going to go to that classwork and you're going to open up the assignment there. Okay, if you click on the assignment here, It's going to show it to you, but you really want to open it up in Classroom under assignment 1. Okay, that's where you want to open it up because then it's going to give you your own copy. Okay, when you open up that assignment, it's going to look like this. Okay, you're going to have a primary source. What you're doing with this is really simple. You're going to be making a diary entry. So there are 2 examples. One of them is from the 1920s. The other one is literally from a college student in the United States from March 11th. So you're going to read both of them, and you're going to write an entry like document A or B. Now here's another option. If you're reading these and you're saying, I don't really understand these, or I don't really know what's going on in these, I don't know how I could write a diary entry like that, you have an option. You can actually make your own video entry. The video directions, if you click on them, are right here. This is the same software I'm using right now, and it takes you right through. This is how you make your own video. Okay? So I don't think the video would take too much longer than reading the assignment and then writing a diary entry, and it might be easier for you. If you make the video, you'll get the same credit as somebody who does the diary entry. Now, if you start working on the video and you say, oh, this is too hard, feel free to go back and write an entry. So you can do an entry or you can write an entry, okay? You have those 2 choices for yourself, okay? And again, this is going to be due Friday at noon. Okay, so now this video is over. If you have any questions for me, you can hit me up on Teams. You can hit me up on email. And good luck. After you finish this assignment, please go to Edulastic and do the exit ticket, okay? So what I can use to grade you for today is going to be this assignment and the exit ticket. Those are going to be the 2 things. And again, if you have any questions, please ask me on Teams or via email right now during our class period. That's the easiest time. If you email me outside of that class period, I still will be able to get back to you, but it will take me a minute. Okay. All right, good luck, guys. I care about you all. I hope you all are doing well. Please let me know if you have any questions. That is all.